Hi friends, today I'm in Hobby Lobby. I'm bringing you with me. Let's go shopping. So if you've been staying inside and staying warm, Hobby Lobby's got some hot sales and I'm sharing them with you today. They have a store-wide clearance event. Everything I'm showing you at the beginning of this video is 75% off. So if your home is looking a little bare after the holidays and there's a few things you'd like to change or switch up or add to, now is the time. They have these markdowns on all sorts of goods, from candlesticks to frames to decorative pieces, tabletop decor, and so much more. I'm telling you, now is the time to head into Hobby Lobby, even if you're just looking. It is so inspiring to see how they put together their looks. Now, whether you are a boho person, if you like something a little more traditional or maybe something a little more modern, they have so many pieces to look at. Now, when I head in to look at Hobby Lobby, I'm not just looking to purchase things, but I am always checking out their clearance prices and trying to gather ideas for how I would couple things in my home. Oftentimes I'll come in and it'll just spark an idea of something I already have, and then I might pick up one or two items and I've got a whole new look that I wasn't expecting on a budget. Now, I love their decorative storage. Canisters, things like this are timeless. They're things you'll use year round, and if you can get them at 75% off, why not? I also love picking up things for gifting around this time of year when they do their 75% off. It's great to pick up a few extra things for maybe gifting, maybe a couple of vases or a vessel. Maybe you have an anniversary or a special birthday coming up. Now's the time to think ahead and grab those, and then you can always add things to them. Maybe you have a dog lover in your life. There's a lot of black and white, and all of this clearance was found in the main portion of my Hobby Lobby. So you don't have to go searching around the store for a special aisle. They've got it all marked down. They are making way because they took over all of the Bed Bath & Beyond stock and they're bursting at the seams. Even after the holidays and clearancing out all of that, they've got all the new spring lines coming in, which I am going to be showing you along with the Valentine's Day, a little bit preview of Easter and St. Patty's Day. I'm telling you, I'm showing you everything today. Now, this is something that I love to keep an eye out for. Framed pieces that I can either layer in a bookshelf, maybe set towards the back, and then a few decorative pieces in front, or maybe I just really like the price of the frame and I can reuse it in a different way. I have done that oftentimes where if I get a great deal on a frame and it is a framed piece of artwork, I'll just DIY over it or maybe pop in a picture or photo of family. They do have some beautiful pieces that do not need remade and are great, again, like I said, for layering. I especially like some decorative wood pieces like this, where it doesn't really matter what you put in front of it. It's just going to make it pop. You could always paint it if the color is not to your liking. Now, they also have decorative pillows, so if you're in the market, keep your eye out for those. But I love to pick up the things that I don't normally go into the store looking for. When I'm going in, I've usually got a running list, but when I can find decorative storage or pieces that I can add for spring on a budget that are being clearanced out, that's what I like to do. They even have some potted pieces. I did pick up this one and I am kicking myself. I should have picked one of these up for my daughter's room. So next time I'm headed in, I'm going to see if they still have them. They also have lots of succulents. Now let's head down the Easter aisle. There are some things I want to show you guys. They do put out their eggs pretty early. So if you like farmhouse and you just want some plain white eggs, now would be a great time to pick them up. Also, if you've got little ones, if you're a teacher or a Sunday school teacher, they do have some great little pieces for Easter that will probably sell out. I'm taking these crosses home with me for some DIYs, and they've got lots of fun crafty goodness. Now, I spotted these and I was totally smitten. I think that this is gorgeous. It is a Easter egg glass dome. It is priced regularly at $9.99, but as we all know, as Easter rolls around, there will be sales probably starting at 40% off. And you guys, they have a resurrection garden craft kit. It is ceramic pieces that you could craft with, DIY, or just display in your home. I think it is beautiful. I love to see that. And guess what they did, you guys? They did their own version of the viral bunnies that sold out at Walmart. So check your Hobby Lobbies. Now they also have some fun little decorative pieces here on an end cap just coming out. These fun little mushrooms that are $7.50. So those will be right around $4 when they go on sale. Now let's get into all of the Valentine goodness. Oh my word. I don't know how they're going to sell all this. I'm just going to be honest. I'm going to point out my favorite items and then show you everything that they're offering. I just cannot believe the amount of Valentine. Now, when I started decorating, when my kids were little, I was one of the only people that did it. And it was just a way for me to keep the red around in my home after Christmas. But it has definitely become a thing. If you decorate for Valentine's Day, comment down below. Let me know. How many areas are you decorating? I am simplifying in life, so I might pick up one or two things and just do one little area. I do have a few plans for some DIYs I'm already working on that I will be sharing with you guys. And so I'm keeping it simple, but if you go all out, they have some super cute dishware. These vintage inspired plates are just adorable in the boy and girl. They also have some fun dish towels for the cat and dog lover, and then some smaller pieces. So maybe you just do a centerpiece, or maybe you just do a tablescape or a tiered tray. They do have a few new pieces this year that I'm noticing that are really cute. One of my favorites is this little Cupid Express mail truck. I think it is absolutely adorable. Now, right now, they do have Valentine's Day at 40% off. So everything is 40% off of the prices that I'm showing you guys. Some little heart pedestals, more little wooden pieces. And these I thought were really clever. This one's a little camera. It's priced at $4.50. So then it would be another 40% off. And then they've got these that are the old style mixtapes. Who had a mixtape? Who made a mixtape? Let me know I'm not alone. They also have some super cute coffee inspired items, the little kissing booths, and some little houses that you could create a village with, and so many gnomes. But I want to point out these signs. I thought these were really nice. They are metal, priced at $7.99, so on sale they're going to be a really good deal for the quality they are. They also have the little rolling pins, super cute. They did 3 versions this year. They're priced at $2.99, so they'd be right around $1 and change, and I think that red one's my favorite. Now they are doing serving trays, so if you're hosting a Valentine party or something like that, they have plenty for your tablescape, including little cutting boards, but these pillows would be great any time of year in a little girl's room. They're priced at $19 regular. And then this, which I was confused at first, but it's actually a fur rug. I know. $30 on that one. Now I love their shaved wood rose wreath that is priced right at $13. I love the tone of pink that they did. They also have some smaller hanging wooden beaded heart style wreaths. These are really affordable. At 40% off, they'd be priced at $6. You could always just use a zip tie to add something like that to a green wreath you already have on hand. The trucks have not left us or departed. They have plenty of galvanized metal still and some smaller pieces that we've seen in the years past, like this one in Be Mine, as well as Happy Valentine's Day. Now, I do think this is a really cute little sign in Be Mine in the red and white. And they do have 2 leaning signs. They're priced at $15 regular. So if you're a pink or a red person, they've got one of each. These are great little galvanized hearts that would be a great addition to any seasonal pieces that you do, maybe in a Christmas tree you haven't taken down yet. Am I not alone in that? I'm almost there, but I haven't quite finished it. And I know a lot of people leave up a seasonal tree or a 4 seasons tree year round anyways. So they have lots of little trinkets that you could pick up to add to your tree. Little ornaments and signs. I thought this was absolutely adorable. Now it is priced at $2.99, and I can think of a million different ways to use that for Valentine's Day. They have the wooden beaded garlands that come in the red or pink with a little tassel on them, some glass roses. These are so pretty. And then a really cute little entryway leaning wooden dog. They did the pillowcases. I'm a big fan of the Hobby Lobby pillowcases. The one in the middle is a little bit higher priced, but it is really well done with some latch hook hearts. Now they also brought back the birdies, more banners, and lots of signs. And they brought back the old school vintage looking metal signs that resemble all the Valentines that I used to give and receive as a child. I love this one of the little girl on the old school phone. Down here, more small pieces for tabletop and gifting and decorating, but I am a little overwhelmed by the sheer inventory. They've got so much. So they do have the little gumball glass containers. Those come in red, pink, or white. They have the stacked books. Over here, more small pieces. I'm curious to know, is your Hobby Lobby stocked like this? Maybe this store just got an overload of inventory. I just remember when Valentine's Day at Hobby Lobby was one aisle and now it is an entire section. And I'm just not sure how many of us out there who do decorate seasonally are buying this year. I'd love to hear your opinions down below in the comments. Keep it nice, folks. Keep it classy. Now, they also have these wooden pieces, which I love, but $14 for 2 wooden hearts. I wouldn't recommend it. Honestly, for that, I would go to Ross, where I've seen them for like $7.99. They also have this, which I think is really cute. It's just a little trinket tray for $7.99. So once that goes to 50% off, it's only $4. I've always wanted a heart dough bowl in the wood, and this one is $14. So maybe when it goes to 50 or 60% off, I will pick one up. I'm definitely counting my pennies, as we all are right now. They do have some really cute little pillows and some more of those rose wreaths. I'm really kicking myself. I think I'm gonna pick this up as soon as it goes a little bit deeper discount for my daughter's room. I think that'd be pretty in her room. Now, they do have some marquee pieces like these hearts and the love sign, and I have purchased these in past. They're just little felt envelopes, super cute for any decorative pieces you just want to add a little something to. They have these hearts that look just like candy hearts, and I remember when Dollar Tree put these out. I used to own some, don't know where they went, but here they're $15 regular. They also have a Be Mine pink velvet sign, and this that is a wooden candy heart DIY that is so cute. You could definitely personalize it with your own colors, and it's priced at $5 before a discount, which I think is really good. Now, they also have these little hanging pennants that are adorable in Love, Hugs and Kisses, and Be Mine, and lots of wood pieces, from wooden beaded hearts to just some cutouts, things that you could have the kids help you DIY or personalize. They also had some really pretty glass magnets that were really unique, and some corrugated paper, great for crafting, as well as these rose squares, which you could do a whole centerpiece with, I'm guessing. They also have the candy heart erasers for $1.99. So cute, great for little classroom gifts, or maybe just attaching to personalized Valentines that your kiddos may want to make for their classmates. They do have lots of heart picks with some black and white, and those pennants come on little flags as well as picks in the pick section, so you may want to keep your eye out for those. So now that we've seen all the Valentine's Day, let's go an aisle over. I'm going to show you guys what they're putting out for St. Patty's Day, and I'm also going to show you the organization they're putting out and the spring decor. They just have everything right now. They even have a little bit of clearance left in their clearance section, although it is almost nothing. I'm sure that by next week it'll be completely gone, but I'm just not sure when they're going to get rid of all of that Valentine decor. Now, they did much less when it comes to St. Patty's Day, and I don't know if they're just getting ready to put out more. Lots of those little vintage signs that are super cute. Of course, the little leprechauns and gnomes, and a few little tabletop signs. I really liked this banner in the gold. I thought it was really nice looking. It just says Lucky with a couple of shamrocks and some gold stripes. They did the little rolling pins down here and stacked books. So whether you do a lot or a little for St. Patty's Day, I don't do anything. When I was growing up, my mom did. I just don't. I do like this hanging garland with the wood beads. That is a good idea and would be easy enough to craft and DIY one on your own. They also have lots of novelty items, things for crafting, some garden flags, But I want to share with you guys some of the organization because it is on sale. And I know that I'm going through my house with a fine-tooth comb, and I love storage and organization right now. And they did some beautiful colors. I'm in love with the green that they did. So they have all of these heavy plastic bins. They do come in neutrals like white and beige and black and brown, but I really love the green things that they did. Everything right now is 40% off. I'm sure that that discount will deepen. They have these oversized bins that would be great maybe in a pantry for some larger bulk items. $12.99 is the regular price on those, so I think that works out to be right around $7.58. They have things for your desk, craft organization and storage. They've got it all, and spring has sprung at Hobby Lobby. They're putting out all of their spring furniture and pieces where all of the Christmas trees were just a few weeks ago. So if you are in the market for a little pink couch for someone in your life, they do have them. I thought they were really cute. They also have some very nice wooden oversized front porch rockers. They are bringing in all the dishes that they acquired through that consolidation with Bed Bath & Beyond, and tons of spring decor from gnomes and tacos to ladybugs. You name it, they've got it. They've got statues of birds and gnomes and ducks and owls. So you know that we will have to come back soon. I hope you enjoyed seeing what they're putting out, and I'll see you back in the next one.